Hiya, you're right. What a sight. You can't beat it, can you? The space shuttle used to set off into space. Fantastic. So when I saw this NanoBlock Deluxe Edition, 1600 pieces space shuttle, I thought, gotta get it, gotta get it. Did a Statue of Liberty just on the shelf there, and I thought, I don't know if I'm going to do NanoBlocks again. I like to build them, but it's just that what do you do with them afterwards? Very difficult to take apart, which I like to do after 6-9 months and then try something new. But I just couldn't resist this one. 1600 pieces, got to go for it. This is what you get. Check this baby out. Absolutely fantastic. Comes on a little base, you can just see it, the grey part here. And the detail's quite incredible. You can have a horizontal spaceship as part of this with a tiny little satellite being deployed. But for me, you've got to have the rocket boosters, haven't you? This is what it is. Absolutely brilliant. You know, being that much bigger, 1600 pieces, you start to pick up the detail, and when you look at it from a bit of a distance, when I walk into my office, can't beat it, can't beat it. I've got the Lego rocket just on the side here, and this will stay as a permanent display. I've got it just on the top there, but yeah, got to look out for this one. 1600 pieces NanoBlock space shuttle, special edition. I don't know what the normal edition's like, but for fish about, and highly recommended. And again, NanoBlock's spare pieces, 132 spare pieces in a single kit. I mean, incredible if you like your spares. But come on, you can almost hear it getting ready to take off, can't you? Yeah, so maybe another big kit, but fantastic. Love it to bits. Delicate, you've got to be careful with it, put it on display, but go for it. NanoBlock Space Shuttle, special edition, 1600 pieces. See you next time.